Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a full face of DollarTree makeup to share. There is some new LaColors and I'm excited to try them out in this video. You just saw them in the haul yesterday. So we are trying all these products out today. Let's get started. I love this little LaColors little chick lip balm. I found that at the Dollar Tree a ways back, but I love it. I was excited to try out and find this LaColors Skinny Brow Pencil. I love trying out new eyebrow products. It's an auto pencil and I got the shade light brown. This brow pencil leans more warm toned. I was slightly disappointed again in that. I don't know when I'm going to learn my lesson, but I need to get medium brown. Yeah, I was just thrown off by the color. So I do try to do the hair strokes here. It says you're supposed to be able to create hair-like strokes, and yes, on my hand, and actually in the brows I could not see it at all, and so for me it just didn't work that way. It's supposed to be precise and define your brows. And it does do that. But I did find that this pencil was hard to work with. The product is stiff and waxy. It doesn't warm up on the hand. Once I found that it was kind of hard to work with, I tried to warm it up on my hand. It did not help it. And it was pulling out my brow hairs. It had light pigmentation. And it seriously took a while to build up the color in my brows. I am happy with how my brows look, but it took a while to get them this way. You might love this product, but for me, it didn't work for me. The Be Pure highlighter pencil. I absolutely love this highlighter pencil. You can use it under the brow to clean up like I'm using it here. It blends out easily. You can use it in your inner corner or you can use it as eyeliner. Next up, we're going to be trying out the LaColors 4-color eyeshadow. This is cruelty free. It's a color coordinated eyeshadows and I got the palette in Tailored. It has a creamy vanilla shade, which is matte, shimmery teal shade, a shimmery golden brown, but I would definitely call this more like an antique brown or gold shade. So yes, antique gold, because once it applies on the eye, that's literally what it reminds me of. And you also get a medium brown matte shade. You get 2 matte eyeshadows, 2 shimmery eyeshadows, and this is perfect for your purse, traveling. It's small and compact. I really like that. I do like that the shades are well coordinated for everyday makeup looks, or you can up them a bit for a more glam look. They work nicely together. The color story is very pretty. They had these in about 4 different shade options. And a bonus for me personally is being able to create a full look with lid shades, outer corner shades, and a highlight shade. You know how I feel about my highlight shades. I love them. The eyeshadow formula is great. It's smooth, it's buttery, they glide on, they blend out easily. The downside was lots of fallout. But the formula and pigmentation of the eyeshadows outweigh the fallout. The shades are nice, vibrant. The quality is amazing on these. I highly recommend and would repurchase other quads in this line. I was very, very impressed with these eyeshadows. See how that one looks right now? It literally looks like an antique gold. It's absolutely stunningly beautiful. And this eye is almost like a halo eye, but I just wanted to make sure that I got to use all 4 shades in this look. And I just talked through the entire process of applying them, but I wanted to give you all my full thoughts on how they were performing, how they build up. They build up nicely, they blend out easily. And this highlight shade, absolutely amazing. Absolutely love it. Like, not only does it highlight under the brow, but you'll see. You'll see. It will blend out the edges of the crease colors so fast and smooth, seamless. Absolutely beautiful. It works amazing. And it's not like overly pigmented. Like, it's pigmented but not overly pigmented where it's like so stark that it's like, oh wow, you know, there's this bright matte shade under the eyebrow. And of course, I'm going to be taking a wet wipe with some makeup remover on it, and I'm going to wipe away all the fallout so that we can continue on with the look. Next up, I'm using the Be Pure Glow Up Serum. This is like scented like watermelon. It's a nice gel-like formula for a serum. It's nice and cooling. It's lightweight. It's a serum. It's just gets your skin ready to apply more makeup on, or you can use it by itself. Be Pure Essentially Ageless. This is their blurring face primer. This stuff is amazing as well. The Be Pure products are absolutely stunning. Work amazing. Like, highly recommend them. And it does blur out the pores. It does a really good job at giving you a nice base. And I have enjoyed using the Be Pure Glow Up Serum with that face primer as well. Work really good together. Next up, we have the Be Pure Makeup Blending Sponge. This is infused with green tea oil. I will link in the cards the other video where I did a review on the rose oil sponge. Now we are reviewing the green tea oil. I love the packaging. Bright green sponge. It is teardrop style, very squishy and soft. It smells so nice, but it is a light scent. It grows double its size when it is wet. It applies makeup evenly and blends out easily, which you will see. Nice quality. I do recommend these sponges. I would repurchase them. The sponges are amazing. They are soft. Apply the makeup really well. Now, a side note is, after washing your sponges, the scent does go away. So that is kind of a downside. The Candy Moyo BB Beauty Benefit Cream in the light 1 shade applies evenly on the face. It's not patchy. It does have a light to medium coverage. It can be built up. Complaint about the product is that it does oxidize. It looks really pretty on the skin. I like that it's lightweight. The Be Pure Hydrating Serum Concealer. Absolutely love this concealer. It's amazing. It is lightweight, blends out really easily. It does not settle in fine lines, and it has like, it looks like moisturizer under your eyes. It's not drying. I can't say enough good things about it. Absolutely love it. Definitely recommend it. Same as this, the Be Pure Essentially Ageless Blurring Powder. This stuff is so good. I love pairing it with this concealer, and they make for a perfect pair. So I use it under the eyes, and the sides of on the sides of my nose, and the creases around my mouth, and the forehead creases. That way it sets those in place, and the makeup does not move and to settle into fine lines. Now, this LaColors Pressed Powder in Ivory, do not sleep on these LaColors powders. They are actually really good quality powders. They do look so nice on the face. It doesn't look cakey or powdery. You can build that powder up also instead of wearing a foundation. They look really good. They're pigmented powders. They work amazing. And after every powdered product you see me apply, I'm going to be using a large kind of kabuki body brush style brush to buff it out. And of course, I'm using the LaColors Nude Glam Bronzer in Sultry. I'm applying it in all my bronzing areas. So the cheeks, the forehead, and to give myself a pouty lip, and a little on the nose. Once again, blending all that out. Super pigmented, super warm, and it's very beautiful and super affordable. LaColors Nude Glam Blush. This blush is in Sultry. The bronzer was in Siren. Whoopsie. The blush is absolutely stunning. It looks like a matte blush, but up close you can see that it has just the tiniest bit of shimmer, and it's such a beautiful peachy coral blush. It's so pretty. Once again, we're going to be blending that out, and I blend out every powder product to make it look flawless, airbrush kind of skin. I just love how it looks. No highlighter today. Next up, I'm using the Ioni Pencil Eyeliner in black. This is a nice gel eyeliner. It is pigmented. It does glide on. My only complaint is that it does kind of smudge and run throughout the day and settles in the outer corner. Now, the LaColors Auto Eyeliner in Far Out Green, absolutely stunning. It's not even green to me. It looks more teal. So pretty though. Absolutely love it. Now, this is just a shimmery white golden shade, or a white gold eyeshadow that I put in the inner corner. Doesn't matter what palette it's from. Any highlight shade for the inner corner will work. Now we are moving on to one of my most favorite products that I've tried. This is the LaColors Turn the Volume Up Mascara. This is a black mascara. They had multiple different new mascaras to try at the Dollar Tree. It is black. It has a plastic volumizing brush. There's no scents to this. It claims to have maximum volume. It's well packaged, so you don't have to worry about tampering with the product. As you can see, not only was in the package, but it was also plastic wrapped as well. I haven't been this impressed with a Dollar Tree mascara in a very, very long time. This is probably the most impressed that I've been. I applied 2 coats. Not only did the mascara give volume, but it gave me some length as well. The formula is not too thin or thick. It applies evenly. No clumping, no spider lashes. The lashes held their curl all day long. No flaking or smudging. The smudging accidents that was caused by me personally, once they dried, they literally just wiped away, so there was no smudging in that area either. No running. This mascara performed amazing for $1.25. Absolutely, highly recommend this particular mascara. I think my lashes look amazing. For lips, I'm using the Ioni Shea Butter lipstick in Nude. Look how adorable. This lipstick is very pretty. It's creamy. It's moisturizing on the lips. I like the formula of this. The only downside is that it moves around. As far as like comfort level on the lips, highly recommend. Very, very nice lipstick. Le Mercier Last All Day Makeup Setting Spray. And it's supposed to be a matte setting spray. I don't feel that it is matte, but it does help set the makeup down. I love how the eyes came out. I absolutely love the eyeshadow. I love the mascara the most. Absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to be using this outside of Dollar Tree makeup videos. The sponge is so nice as well. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, found the reviews helpful. Maybe you will run to the Dollar Tree and try some of these products for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree videos and a product list. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and thank you so much for watching.